Welcome back to another video. I'm your trader Sam, and today we're going to talk about how we can use this important tool up here, the fixed range volume profile tool, to find key areas in the charts and use this tool as a guide to getting in and out of trades. Before we get going here, please remember I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say in this video is for educational purposes, and you know what time it is. You already know. Smash that like button, smash the subscribe button. It's really going to help this channel grow, guys. Let's do it together. In a nutshell, this tool will allow you to calculate the value area high, the point of control, and value area low within a specific time frame. So for example, if we are looking at these 25k highs over here, and we wanted to start measuring the range that is going to be formed above these highs, we could take the tool from there all the way to current price action. So looking at the dates of the 17th of March up until today, and we can see it calculates the value area high, point of control, and value area low for us. The point of control is where we have had the most amount of volume traded at this level, $28,044. And 70% of the volume traded within this overall range has been between the value area high and the value area low. These three zones can be used as both support and resistance levels. You want to make sure that within the settings that you have the value area volume set to 70. Most traders have it set to 70, so it makes sense to do that also. The way that I like to use the volume profile tool is when you can clearly see a cluster of volume where you are building up a range. I like to calculate the volume of the breakout of the range. So for example, this candle over here, this is the candle that breaks the previous low down here. So I'd take the volume from this candle all the way up to this candle over here where we had the successful breakout of these highs over here. Now you can see that we have this overall range here traded between the 13th of June 2022 and the 17th of March this year. You can see within this range that the point of control has been acting as a support and resistance level. You can see the value area high was acting as a strong resistance level, getting rejected several times, eventually breaking above, coming back down to the range, and then getting this massive pump from the point of control. The great thing about the volume profile tool is it works on both higher and lower time frames. So if we zoom in here, when price comes down to the value area low, you can already be thinking in your mind that you want to be looking for longs. Now, when you start adding in other confluences, this can be extremely helpful. For example, taking this low to this high up here, we can see that the 618 region coming in at 25,335, where prices come down to just breach the value area low, swing failing off this low over here at the value area low, and hitting the 618 at the same time. Having that confluence together with the value area low gives us the confidence to get into trades like this. Not only can the volume profile tool be handy with getting entries, it's also very useful when looking for take profit zones. For example, if you did enter here at the 618 and the breach of this value area low, you could then be looking to take profits at the point of control. And you can see here that we did get rejected at the point of control, so that would have been a smart move taking profits there. Another good example of using the volume profile tool to take profits, looking at the value area high up here, just imagining if you were to get in at these lows over here, as prices come up, you can see it has bounced off of the value area high, which coincides with the 0.5 on the Fibonacci tool. So this would have been a great place to take profits. Even when using the volume profile tool on the 15-minute charts, we can see when looking at price action from the 2nd of September up until today, the recent pump that we did have above this value area high, pumping above these highs of 26,419, we can see the back test of the value area high, where price is slightly breached beneath but gaining acceptance back above the value area high. This would have been a great opportunity to get into a long position. When using the Fibonacci retracement tool from the overall highs of this year down to the previous lows at 24,985, we can see that the golden pocket precisely matches up with the value area high. Now, this is just telling us that there is a lot of confluence up here. So you can see the importance of these value area high, point of control, and value area low zones. So this is going to be a very important take profit zone when price eventually gets there. This just scratches the surface of what can be done with the volume profile tool. There are so many more advanced concepts with this tool, which really do help with your everyday trading. Myself and Andy, we use this tool regularly to find trade setups on a daily basis within the Legends community. We absolutely love this tool. It works really well. You can find the link below in the description to the Legends community. Also, if you are looking for a really good exchange to do your trading on, personally, I recommend Bybit. I use it myself. Andy, the other coach, he uses it. Most of the Legends community, they use it as well. And that's for good reason. There's really low fees, very good user interface. It's fast, it's reliable. There's always support there if you need it, 24/7 support. And you can actually speak to someone. You don't have to wait for emails or anything like that. You can speak to someone within seconds. So that brings an end to this quick tutorial on how you can use the fixed range tool to help with your trading. Thanks a lot for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.